Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 10s and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. And as you can see, we've been immediately and directly transferred to the digital well-being. If you will turn on this option for the very first time, you will have to pick between the well-being and parental controls. Just upon digital well-being then. And as you can see, you will be able to check this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And you can see that I've been using it for 50 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings and the notes. Here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So basically we've got two different ways to check some further details. So we can tap right in the middle of this graph and we will be transferred to this dashboard, which will show us the time which we spent on the screen in particular days, so the Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, and so on and so on. We can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And under it we've got listed all of the apps which we've been using. So for example, you can check that I've been using settings for 24 minutes. Let's get back, and the second option, the second way to check the details is to tap directly on the app. So for example the notes or the settings, let me pick notes, and as you can see right here we've got again the dashboard, but right now it is strictly connected with this particular app. Again, we can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. And basically that's all. This is that's how to check the screen time, but I wanted also to show you the ways to disconnect. So if you need the time for yourself, you need to sleep, rest, you need to work, or you just don't want to be disturbed, then I highly recommend to use one of those ways to disconnect. So the dashboard, bedtime mode, or focus mode. So let me pick for example the focus mode, and as you can see right here we've got the list of all apps. We can of course unroll it here in order to check all of them, and here we can pick those apps from which we are receiving most notifications, so which are the most distracting for us, and then we can set a schedule. Okay, I have to pick distracting app, so let me pretend that the Chrome distracts me most. So just mark it and tap on set a schedule. As you can see, you will be able to pick particular days and the start and end time, and after on set, your device will be allowed to simply limit the notifications, hide the notifications from this particular app, thanks to which you will be able to rest and focus, for example. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your TCL NxtPaper 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.